There's a chance that the new Samsung Galaxy S24 phones might come out earlier than usual, maybe in January. A certification from the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) for a Samsung phone with the model number SM928B/DS, likely the Galaxy S24 Ultra, supports this idea. Usually, the certification happens a few weeks before a phone is released. Although the BIS certification doesn't give us specific details, earlier in November, another source hinted that the Galaxy S24 Ultra could come with a special stylus called the S Pen. This matches with the rumors that Samsung is planning to launch the Galaxy S24 earlier than usual. Even though Samsung hasn't officially said anything about this, there are some predictions about the Galaxy S24 Ultra having a 6.8-inch screen, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and maybe a strong titanium frame. Samsung also hinted that artificial intelligence AI will play a big role in these new phones. If the Galaxy S24 does come out early in 2024, it might have competition from OnePlus, which is launching the OnePlus 12 in China next month, and it could be available globally soon after. This means that the Galaxy S24 and OnePlus 12 might be competing right from the beginning.